हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, तो आज का हमारा क्वेश्चन है x इज इक्वल्स टू 1 प्लस स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 5 डिवाइड बाई 2 एंड हियर वी विल फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ x पावर 12। तो देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, इस वाली प्रॉब्लम को हम किस प्रकार से सॉल्व करेंगे। हियर x इज इक्वल्स टू 1 प्लस स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 5 डिवाइड बाई 2। हियर its denominator part is 2. If multiplied both side 2, then this 2 and this 2 is cancelled out. So in left hand side is 2x, this is equals to 1 plus square root of 5. Now in right hand side is plus 1. So if we subtract both side 1, then in left hand side is 2x minus 1, and this is equals to plus 1 and minus 1 is cancelled out, so here is square root of 5. Now if we take square both side, then in left hand side we will apply the algebraic identity a plus b whole square. This is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Sorry students, here negative sign, so here we will apply a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2 times ab. Here we will apply this rule. Let this 2 times x is a and this 1 is b. Then a minus b whole square, and we know that a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2 times ab. So a square, and where value of a is 2 times x square plus b square, that is value of b is 1 square, minus 2 times a is 2 times x and b, that is 1, and this is equals to this square root is cancelled out by this square, so here plus 5. Now 2 times x square, that is 4 times x square, plus 1 square is 1 minus 4 times x, this is equals to plus 5. Now here plus 1. If we subtract both side 1, then in left hand side is 4 times x square minus 4 times x, and this is equals to 4. Now here 4 times x square minus 4 times x is equals to 4. If we divide both sides 4, then this 4 and this 4 is cancelled out, this 4 and this 4 is cancelled out, and this 4 and this 4 is cancelled out. So in left hand side is x square minus x, and this is equals to 1. Here this is negative x. If this negative x, if we take in right hand side, then here positive x plus 1, and in left hand side is x square. So here students, x square, this is equals to x plus 1. X square, this is equals to x plus 1, and we know that we will find out the value of x power 12. So first we will find out the value of x power 4. But how? If we take square both side, then we know that a power m bracket power n, this is equals to a power m times n. If we apply this rule in left hand side, then this 2 and this 2 is multiply. Then in left hand side is x power 4, and this is equals to, here we will apply a plus b whole square. And we know that a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2 times ab. So here value of a is x and value of b is 1. So x square plus 1 square plus 2 times a, that is x, and b, that is 1. Then in left hand side is x power 4. This is equals to x square plus 1 plus 2 times x. Now here x square, and we know that value of x square, value of x square is x plus 1. So in left hand side is x power 4, this is equals to x square is replaced by x plus 1, and here plus 1 plus 2 times x. Then x power 4, this is equals to x plus 2 times x is 3 times x plus 1, that is 2. Now if we take square again both side, then in left hand side is x power 4 bracket power 2, and this is equals to 3 times x plus 2 and bracket power 2. Now In left hand side we will apply this rule again. Then in left hand side this 4 and this 2 is multiplied. Then in left hand side is x power 8 and this is equals to, and in right hand side we will apply a plus b whole square, where value of a is 3 times x and value of b is 2. And we know that a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2 times ab. Here a square, and we know that value of a is 3 times x, then here 3 times x whole square. B square, that is 2 square, plus 2 times a, that is 3 times x, and b, that is 2. Now in left hand side is x power 8. This is equals to 3 times x square, that is 9 times x square, plus 2 square, that is 4, plus 2 times 3 is 6, and 6 times 2 is 12x. Now here x square, and we know that value of x square is x plus 1. So this x square is replaced by x plus 1. Then in left hand side is x power 8. This is equals to 9. X square is replaced by x plus 1, and here plus 4 plus 12 times x. In left hand side is x power 8. This is equals to 9 times x plus 9 plus 4 plus 12 times x. Then in left hand side is x power 8. This is equals to 9 times x plus 12 times x, that is 21 times x plus 9 plus 4, that is 30. Now here x power 8 is 21 times x plus 30. Here x power 8 is 21 times x plus 30, and x power 4 is 3 times x plus 2. If we multiply both the equations, then in left hand side is x power 8 times x power 4, and this is equals to 21 times x plus 13 times 3 times x plus 2. In left hand side we will apply this rule, that is a power m times a power n. This is equals to a power m plus n. Here in left hand side if we apply this rule, then this power is add. So 8 plus 4, that is 12. Then x power 4 is 12, and this is equals to, this 21x is multiplied by 3 times x, then we get 63 times x. And 21x is multiplied by 2, then we get 42 times x. And this 13 is multiplied by 3 times x, then we get 39 times x. And this 13 is multiplied by 2, then we get 26. Here, sorry students, 21 times x is multiplied by 3 times x, then we get 63 times x square. Sorry. In left hand side is x power 12. This is equals to 63, and this x square is replaced by x plus 1, because here x square, this is equals to x plus 1. So x square is replaced by x plus 1, and here 42 times x plus 39 times x plus 26. Then in left hand side x power 12, this is equals to 63 is multiplied by x, then we get 63 times x plus 63 is multiplied by 1, then we get 63 plus 42 times x plus 39 times x plus 26. Now if we add like terms, then in left hand side is x power 12 is same, and in right hand side addition of like terms, 63 times x, 42 times x, and 39 times x. If we add, then here 144 times x plus, and 63 plus 26, that is 3 plus 6 is 9, and here 8. Here x power 12, this is equals to 144 times x plus 89. We know that value of x is given, that is 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. So in left hand side is x power 12, this is equals to 144, and this x is replaced by 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2, and here plus 89. Then this 2 is divides 144, we get 72. Then in left hand side is x power 12, this is equals to 72 is multiplied by 1. Then we get 72 plus 72 is multiplied by square root of 5. Then we get 72 times square root of 5 plus 89. Now students, here 72 plus 89. And in left hand side is x power 12. This is equals to 72 plus 89 is 161 plus 72 times square root of 5. Students, this is our final answer. I hope students you enjoy this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.